What is up? Welcome back. It is your favorite moto vlogger back with another video. This time, man, we are going to continue to mod out the 2024 Road Glide. I got a cool one going in today. I'm going to pump the brakes on it. I'm going to show you guys how to install it. Even if you don't got a 24, this will look badass on your bike. Let's get in here. Let's get started. Oh guys, you know I am a horror movie fan, and this is one of my favorite movies right here. This is Zack Snyder's Dawn of the Dead, the remake, the best zombie movie ever. But let's get into the big daddy right here. We are about to get after it in this video, and that baby looks so good. Leave me something in the comments below, man, if you love that color right there, but I think it really set off. Now, fellas, let's get after it real quick. I've done some mods to the bike, man, and they are super cool. We're gonna keep it going today in the video, but if you're new to the channel, these are some of the things that we did that are inexpensive. Went with the screws right there in the windshield to bring it out, really gave it a nice touch. Let's swing down. Went with the Phantom series on the floorboards, the brake pedal, and even on the other side, everything's all matching up with the all blacked out look. Absolutely loving that. Went with the Harley-Davidson Empire mirrors that really brought the front end of that bike out. Looks really good. And swing around the saddlebags right here. Went with the blacked out cover that just cleaned everything up. Yes, sir. And in my last video, my latest mod, let me show you what we did. Now, you see right here, this is that bulky, ugly stock license plate holder. Now what I did was get rid of that and went with the sweet curved one with the light. We lighted everything, did the wiring, super easy. I can show you guys how to rock and roll this. The description is in the last video. I'm gonna also put it in this video because I think this is a great mod that you need if you have a 2024 Road Glide. Now guys, look at the rear back here. It's got that performance bagger look, and this is gonna lead us into today's mod, so stay tuned. And fellas, I gotta keep you on your toes about the 24 Road Glide. This is something that you guys probably did not know, even if you own one or not, but years past, my street gliders out there, my road gliders. Now, you know, when we park these bikes, we always had to turn that wheel to the inside towards the kickstand to give it some leverage. On the 24, let me bring it to the front, you can see the bike is straight up and down on the kickstand. Now, we all know that the fairing on the Road Glide does not move. So that wheel being straight forward gives it a nice ass stance and makes it look badass. Just another cool tip that they did with the 24, but let's keep this video going, baby. All right, gotta take a second, man, to shout out to each and every one of you out there. The response to the Name My Bike contest right here is going absolutely bananas. You guys are badass out there. Some of the coldest names I've seen. Overwhelming response. You guys got to keep feeding me, man, like Zeke Elliott. Keep feeding me, man. The names are amazing. Let me give you some examples of some of my favorites real quick. Now, fellas, if you know what Blue Chew is, that makes it even more dope of a name. If you don't know what that is, guys, look it up. Blue Chew. That is one of the dopest names. Also, I'm loving Papa Smurf. Absolutely loving that name. And so many great names out there. Keep feeding me, man. I got something that I want to do for you guys because you are overwhelming response to the contest. Yes, sir. And whenever people show you love, you got to show it back. So I'm going to add 3 people to the contest. Number 1 is going to be the winner. 2 is the runner-up. Number 3 is going to be that third runner-up because of the huge response. Now, number 1 is going to get this beautiful 330 Muscle Lab hoodie right here. It is great quality. It is going to come free directly to your door. So keep feeding me with the name of that contest. So let's go ahead and get it cranking just like this, fellas. So I am super happy with the rear of the bike. Gives it that great performance look. Now on the 2024s, guys, Harley-Davidson increased the width of the bags right here so they're wider, so you're able to get more things in there, and also they shortened it up and gave it that performance bagger look that I like. Today's modification today, I wanted to accomplish 2 things with it. As always, like I do, I want to make the bike look absolutely badass. And number 2, I wanted to protect my investment. Man, Harley-Davidson's, especially this 24, costs mucho dinero. So I'm trying to definitely protect my investment. So today, I am going to install these saddlebag guards, man. And they're going to do just the 2 things that we want them to do. Let me show you guys what I'm rocking. I had to take a break. My cuz Ray Shine is in the building. What is
up,
good with you, man? Say what up to everybody.
What's up, everybody?
Man, definitely gotta get you back on another video, man. What you been up to so far since we ain't seen you in a minute?
So, honestly, man, I had back surgery last year. It's coming up on a year now, year anniversary. I'm doing phenomenal. I'm back riding a little bit, but the thing is, that jixer's starting to get a little uncomfortable now.
Okay, all right.
So it's time to come on over.
It's about time.
Guys. It's time.
All right, and speaking of almost ready, you see he is rocking the fresh 330 Muscle Lab t-shirt. I see you've been in the gym too a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a couple.
But speaking of a bagger, man, gotta tell everybody what you think about the bagger over here. Let's go over to it. Let them know what you think about the 24, man. What you think?
Amazing.
Yeah, it is dope.
It's amazing. It's from the screen down to the littlest things like the carbon fiber.
Yeah, everything is all, you know.
All the little details is just nice, man.
Love it,
I like this.
Today's mod is gonna be a cool one today. I'm gonna put these saddlebag guards on, so it's gonna be dope. But man, we gotta convert this man over to a bagger motorcycle. We definitely gotta get you on a Harley, man.
Y'all know anything for sale? Let me know.
Yes, sir. And here are the mods right here. And you see, these are those saddlebag guards, man, and they are nice. Look how thick it is. That is super, super thick. The welds are good. The powder coat looks really good on there. There's no scratches. Looks amazing. Let me grab the other one just to inspect that one. It looks really, really good. I'm gonna, as always, I'm gonna drop the parts in the description so you guys can grab them up. And these are the bumpers right here. They're going to go on the edges. This is what's going to protect your bike when it falls. And then we've even got the decorative washers to give it colors. So I don't know what color scheme I'm going to go with. I may go let's see, double blue right here, or I may go a blue, kind of liking that blue and gold right there. Let me know what you guys think, but I'm kind of liking that blue gold combo. Even though there's no blue and gold on the bike, I still think that kind of pops right there. In the garage, my favorite place to be. It is time to have some fun. I'm going to show you how to install these saddlebag guards. Now, real quick, fellas, I just took off the saddlebags, the guards, and the seat so I can get access to everything. Now, let me show you what you're going to need as far as tools. You guys are going to need a torque ratchet set. You should already have that. Any motorcycle enthusiast should have a torque ratchet set. And then I got to have a hacksaw that I got from Walmart right there. And we're gonna jump in. I'm gonna show you guys how to rock this. Now that I've got everything ready to rock and roll, I'm gonna show you guys really quick. It is just 2 bolts that you are gonna do. There is gonna be a bolt right here that we are gonna attach the screw there under, and then we're gonna go right here and we're gonna attach this bolt and take this off. But one caveat is we're gonna have to cut this support bag. Sir, and fellas, the hardest part of this whole install, you see right here, this is the support rail for the saddlebag that it sits on. We're going to have to take this hacksaw right here, and we're gonna have to cut this to make it fit. And I'm gonna show you guys why we're gonna have to do that. So what we're gonna have to do, and as you guys see, when this goes in, it is basically going to go straight into this pipe. So we're gonna have to measure to cut that so it'll fit in there. Remember, if you're gonna do this, it is always better to cut long than it is to cut short. So all I'm gonna do is put it up to there, about where it'll go, and I'm gonna take a piece of tape and I'm gonna measure that out, and then we're gonna use the hacksaw and cut it. Yes, sir. And you see, I just took a piece of tape and measured that out. Then you always come back and we're going to re-measure and make sure it is absolutely correct. So I'm just going to swing this back around. And guys, you see, we're going to, hold on, let me switch it around there for you. And we're going to measure up, put it back there. We're going to measure that up and we're going to see about where that'll go. And as you see, guys, I'm pretty close to it. So I'm going to cut in the middle of that tape to make sure I've got enough. All right. And I am back, and as you see right there, man, that cut looks really, really good. Always use a piece of tape right there. It'll give you a clean cut line so everything will look nice and professional. Now let's go ahead and measure this up. Now, hopefully this works out, man. Cross your fingers out there, but we're gonna slide that in there. And then all we're gonna do right here is, you guys see the bolt, just gonna slide that over so we line the bolts. Let me switch hands so I can get it over for you. and tuck it in there. But you see it lines up with that bolt almost perfectly, and the bolt at the top, let me stand up. You guys can see it is almost a perfect alignment. Everything looks really good. All we did was go into here. That looks a great cut, and we're gonna do it on the other side. But man, we are on our way to getting this thing done. Man, if you are liking the footage and you're liking what I'm doing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell. Let YouTube know you guys are feeling the channel so I can keep dropping the hot content to you. Let's finish up this install. All right, and just like that, man, I'm back from the gym, had to go handle some business, but I want to show you the finished product. I'm excited for the mod. Hopefully you guys learned how to do that. It is super easy, man. Get out in that garage, learn how to wrench on your own bike. It'll save you money, but also, man, it'll make you connect with the bike more. So let me show you what I got. Here is the finished product right here, and let me jump all the way up on it and let you guys see it from all the angles. First off, look how thick these bars are. I like that. Really comes out good quality, and you see the blue washers right there, man. They match up really well with the Blue Burst paint job. And let me swing on the other side and give you this angle right here, and man, it really looks good. I love that. That matches up absolutely perfect. I think that we were able to accomplish both things that we wanted to accomplish. I wanted the bike to look badass, and let's check it out from the side view right here. I wanted the bike to look badass, but I also want to protect my investment, and that's what these will do. They will protect these pretty bags right here, so if anything ever happens, the bike tips over, I'll be saved, and I'll save on my investment right here, guys. I hope you enjoy what I'm doing. I got plenty more mods to go. Don't forget to leave the name, my bike contest. We got hot gifts coming out for the winners. We got 3 chances to win, so guys, your chances are really good. So until next time, keep those 2 wheels down. Peace.